In this video, we are going to talk about success URLs. Specifically, where do we want to take the student once they've filled in the web form version of our form? So in this particular example, we have a really simple form. We're asking the student what is their program of interest and are they interested in attending an upcoming campus tour. Now, for me, as the member of the team operating this form, the most important thing that I have is the campus tour. I want everyone to attend a campus tour. So it's in my interest that I want to push this as an option. However, if somebody says that if they say that they're interested, I always want to take somebody to a certain link here. We use an example from our friends over at University of St Andrews. However, if somebody says no, then what I want to do to make life easy for the student for the future reading, I want to take them to the program page for each of these particular options. So if they say English, we take them to that page. Now, that was quite difficult to explain out loud, but the reality is it's incredibly easy to set up in Gecko. So let's go about doing this. In order to set up these, what we call redirect rules, head to settings and then redirect rules here. You have the ability to send everyone to a specific web page, irrespective of anything, which I'm not going to use here, but it is certainly an option. I am, however, going to make use of the redirect rules. And effectively here, we're using the same conditional logic you'll see on the fields on the forms and also in workflows, where we say, if in the are you interested in attending an upcoming campus tour, if that is equal to yes, then what we want to do is immediately send somebody to the Meet Us page. We can add further rules as well. So we can say if the program of interest is equal to ancient history, then what we want to do is drop somebody right on the ancient history webpage. If they say that their program of interest is actually English instead, then we'll do the same. And lastly, we'll grab that link for Middle Eastern Studies. If the program of interest is equal to Middle Eastern Studies, we'll drop them here. Now, it's important to note that Gecko will read these redirect rules in order of, basically in order. So if I do say that I'm interested in Middle Eastern Studies, but I am interested in attending, then because this is further higher up, this is going to take precedence. So we're going to drop them here. We're not going to try and put them in two different locations, which means that you can basically craft the journey you'd like the student to have. Now, let's look at this in action then. Let's just quickly save this and then we'll nip over to the form. Give that a reload. So if we say ancient history but no to the campus tour, then the behavior should be dropping right on the ancient history page. But if we do say yes, we're interested in attending the campus tour and its program of interest is English, then instead that's going to take us to the program tour, Meet Us campus tour section. So very, very simple to set up and has a lot of really useful applications for directing traffic to the right parts of your website that you'd like to highlight.